Hello guys, before we begin, I just want you to know that cooking is not an exact science, so you don't have to worry so much about the measurement. Just let the ancestors speak to you and you will get it right, okay? Just follow all the lessons in the video. If you're new to this channel, this is Cook. On this channel, we experiment with food. So if you're a foodie like me, don't forget to subscribe for more content. Let's begin. First, I'm going to begin with my chicken. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? That will be fine. To marinate my chicken, I'm just going to put in some spices. First, my chicken masala, my turmeric. I'm going to also add some salt and some, basil and oregano, which is very good for seasoning chicken. And I'm going to add my dark soy sauce as well as some oil. I use olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And then stir it up and put it somewhere and let that chicken or your protein marinate to the best, let all those things, enter the chicken properly. For the chicken masala, you can use any kind of chicken seasoning. And here, mince your garlic and cut up some onions. We're going to use them later, okay? And for my pasta, I'm using this kind of pasta. You can use spaghetti, the long ones. Any of them is okay. Don't forget to add salt to your water and let your water boil before you put in your pasta so that it doesn't become soggy. Now you will know your pasta is ready when you can easily cut it like this. It shouldn't be very hard, it shouldn't be also too soft, it should be in between, bouncy. So that's it. Go ahead and drain that water and let that pasta sit to cool. Put some butter in your pan and then go bring your marinated protein, which is my chicken, and fry the shit out of this chicken, okay? I want mine to be, light brown. It wasn't too hard, neither was it. It was just perfect, okay? So just let the ancestors speak to you, Little by little, you become a master chef. You don't have to, worry yourself about how long or how much ingredients you need to add and all those things. And here, go ahead and put in your minced garlic and your onions, fry it a bit, and then go ahead and put some pasta sauce, okay? If you don't have pasta sauce, no need. You don't have to put any pasta sauce. You can also put tomato paste, okay? But you need to fry it properly so it doesn't have that sour taste. I've added some oregano, some salt, black pepper, and some chili powder on here just for flavor, okay? And I added chili pepper because I like it spicy. Please omit the chili pepper if you don't like spicy, okay? The black pepper is enough. And then go ahead and let it fry for a little while. And then we're going to add some cream to it to make our pasta a little more rich, So add any cream of your choice, heavy cream, coconut cream, whatever. I'm using coconut cream. That is about half a cup of coconut cream. You can use as much as you want. What's enough for the amount of pasta that you cooked, okay? Go ahead and stir that up. If you have any garnishing, something that I want to put on, I had some, green onions, so I just spice it up a little bit. And then go ahead, cover it, let that simmer for a while, let it cook for a minute or two so that your pasta becomes a little bit more softer. And then we move on to, grate some Parmesan cheese on there for a little bit of richiness, okay? And then that's it, guys. Look at how yummy this looks. It was so delicious. I ate it with my dog. My dog loved it. I loved it. So we made it again and we keep making it again Absolutely delicious, guys. Trust me. You need to try this, okay? Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and on TikTok on Cookie, okay? It's right up there or in the bio. And don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time, if you want more content. And thanks for coming, and see you in my next video. Bye.